If you've had tinnitus, how severe was it, and what techniques did you find most helpful?
I've had intermittent tinnitus, nothing constant, and anytime I do hear it, I immediately redirect my attention to something else rather than feeding my attention into it more.
I have unilateral tinnitus. I would say at the onset it was severe. I have successfully habituated, and I would say hands down, sound therapy was one of the best tools that I used by far.
I had probably moderate tinnitus over a decade ago. Like Dr. Ramsey, it was unilateral only in my right ear. And I think I used a lot of different techniques, but the one that I think really helped me was to change my cognitive distortion about why I had tinnitus in my right ear. And it kind of changed the definition. I was really worried about having hearing loss in my right ear, even though I never had any measurable hearing loss. And I started to tell myself that my right ear just could hear more sounds. It was more sensitive than my left ear. And just twisting around those words helped me to calm my mind about why I was experiencing tinnitus in my right ear.
I've had a mild tinnitus in both ears, generally around a 1 or a 2 on a 10-point scale. And what I use is sound enrichment. So when I'm working during the day in a quiet space, I'll always have sound in the background or music playing.